Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. In today's video, we are gonna be doing a little yoga flow, and I thought it'd be really fun to attempt to put my head over my legs, as you do. And to say my legs over my head. Video I'm going to share with you all my top tips on improving your flexibility and basically like my simple yoga flow routine. This yoga flow basically helps me to become really flexible in quite a short period of time, and I'm also going to share with you all the amazing benefits of yoga. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, you guys. First, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment and share this video. It literally helps me so much. I love you guys. So let's jump straight into it. It's basically gonna flow, you guys, and I feel like if you do really want to improve your flexibility, I know you probably are not, maybe you're not gonna like this, however I just want to say consistency is key. I feel like consistency is like the key to like everything. Anything you want, you guys, just be consistent with it. Anyways, I'm just opening up my chest and my heart, like just doing a little star pose. This feels amazing, you guys. And did you guys know that when you open up your chest and your heart, it can actually open it up emotionally as well, which is amazing, right? Coming into a nice little downward dog, just warming up our muscles and joints. Something that's really important, you guys, if you're gonna ever attempt to put your legs over your head, please ensure to really stretch and warm up your neck muscles, because you could really damage them if you don't. Guys, I literally forgot to warm my neck up enough, so make sure you do at least 10 neck rolls. I'm just doing some downward dog, which is a great stretch for your abs and also your spine. It can help to relieve lower backache, also help to relieve painful period cramps, and also help to promote healthy digestion. I'm now just basically stretching my legs in a boat pose. Beneficial is stretching your calves and your hamstrings. Really stretch. I was low-key kind of rushing to film this. As you can see behind me, the sun was setting and I was riding my bike as I rode my bike to the location. So I was literally like freaking because I was like, oh my god, the sun's setting and it's gonna be super dark. Anyways, you guys, I'm now just gonna like come down into a nice little forward fold. Forward folds are amazing at improving your digestive system. Your digestive system basically plays a massive part in your overall body's well-being. Like, it literally plays a major part in like your happiness as well, because did you know like serotonin basically is the happy chemical, and like I believe off the top of my head I think it's like over 80% of your serotonin is literally made in your gut. So your gut health is so vital to your overall body's health. Yeah guys, I just googled it. It's estimated that 90% of the body's serotonin is actually made in the digestive tract. So it's so vital that your digestive system is functioning properly. Like, serotonin has been linked to diseases such as irritable bowel syndrome, cardiovascular disease, and osteoporosis. So literally, when your digestive system is off, like, it basically throws your whole body off balance, if you see what I'm saying. A healthy, functioning digestive system helps to rid the body of toxins. This is an amazing stretch. It also helps to calm the mind and brain. We're just coming back into downward dog. How beautiful is the sky behind me, guys? Literally iconic. So picturesque. So I'm just doing another forward fold. I'm such a big fan of forward folds. I even made a full video on forward folds and all the benefits, literally like I mentioned about your digestive system. There's so many benefits. It calms the mind, the brain. It can help to reduce anxiety and mild depression. So I'm just doing downward dog, and I'm just bringing my blanket back so you can really fully see what I'm doing. Downward dog, and then we're going to raise one leg up and come into a three-legged dog. An amazing stretch, great for your core and your legs. Downward dog really helps to energize the body, relieving the body of fatigue. And it literally is amazing for your digestive system as well, and your core, especially when you raise your leg and ensure to really suck in the navel to experience the full benefits. Now coming into a pigeon pose. I've also made a full video on a pigeon pose as well. If you want to check it out, I'm going to link it down below. This stretch really helps to calm me down and de-stress me. It stimulates the internal organs and it stretches your groins, and it can also help if you suffer from urinary disorders. Doing the other side to keep our body in alignment. By doing these poses daily, it really helps to increase your body's flexibility. The more flexible my body becomes, the more flexible and adaptable my mind becomes, which is amazing, you guys. I feel so open-minded. I literally feel light, free, and limitless. Because remember, you guys, the limits only exist within your mind. This is another amazing stretch. I put my head to my knee stretch. Great stretch for the legs. Feel the stretch and remember to breathe into your stretch, you guys. Inhaling deeply through the nose. Blow out any anxiety, stress. Just blow it all out. Let it all go, you guys. Inhale positivity, unlimited possibilities, unlimited abundance. It's yours, you guys. Now we're just going to come into a nice split. And also, you guys, I just want to say, do not worry if you aren't here yet. Literally take it easy. Like, be kind to yourself. You deserve kindness from yourself the most. Literally. So don't be like mean to yourself if you're not as flexible as this. And enjoy your journey, you guys. Take it slow. Take it each day at a time. And just like enjoy the journey, because even like myself, I have goals as well, like I'm trying to reach, and I just like don't rush, like just know that you will get there. Just keep practicing and all is coming, and be patient and be kind with yourself, because you can and you will. Just take it one day at a time. It's such a deep stretch, and remember to smile during your practice. Literally, when you smile, you literally send off radiant, abundant energy. happiness truly is yours. And remember, you guys, you control your happiness. Your happiness is your very own responsibility. You should never place like your happiness in anyone else's hands other than your own. And happiness is yours for the taking. You can be happy right now, literally. I know it's easier said than done because we all have like down days and whatnot. Something that really helps me to remember and always find back my happiness is you are only 10 deep breaths away from a whole new mood. And that is so, so true, you guys. If you just pause, calm the mind, and literally take 10 mindful deep breaths, I promise your mind should change. Like, or meditate, that also helps me. Or even listen to your favorite song. Literally, you can change your mind. Like, you are literally in control. Like, once you fully understand, like, you are in control of your mind, you control your thoughts. You are the creator of your reality. OMG, it was 11:11 when I was saying that. Now we are coming into a nice middle stretch. Amazing hip opening. I've made so many videos on hip openers. I'm obsessed with hip openers, you guys. Please do check them out. I'm going to link them down below. The benefits are mind-blowing, literally. No exaggeration. Now we're just going to deeply stretch out our legs even more, so we're ready to enjoy the so we're ready to enjoy basically putting our legs over our head. Ready? Don't try this at home, kids. A bit serious, you guys. Always ensure to really properly warm up your body, and remember, everyone's abilities are different, so like don't ever force yourself like into positions that you're not ready for. Like, take it slow and easy. Really listen to your body, you guys. Become in tune with your body. I had to tie up my hair for this one as I felt like it was just gonna get in the way. An amazing stretch, stretching your hamstrings, you guys. Here we go. I'm about to attempt it, and you guys, I was literally mad as hell because it didn't go the way I wanted it to go. I don't know if I needed like more warming up time or what, but it's just, I don't know, or maybe like I still wasn't there yet, because the funny thing was I'd done this at home and it was perfect. And then when I went to film, I don't know if I was like panicking because the sun was setting or what, but literally it just didn't go as planned. Like, look at this, like it's a mess, you guys. I feel like the moral of the story is, do not rush. Like, take your time and be patient with yourself. Like, here literally I'm not really being patient. Like, I just wanted to do this for the video. I'm like, come on, do it, literally. And then I ended up hurting my neck, but luckily it was just a little minor thing, and it literally was fine. Thank you, God, which I'm so grateful for. That's why, like, don't ever rush, you guys. Just take your time and be patient with yourself, and you will get there with consistency. And remember, everyone has different abilities as well. Like, don't really like put too much comparison on yourself either. Only is comparison futile. It literally kills all joy. Literally would not quit. No wonder I ended up getting a sore neck. But it wasn't nothing major, thank you God, literally. But yeah, we're gonna try and film this video again in a few weeks to show you my progression on this pose, to see how it's updated. Finally got it, you guys. I kind of did it, right? Literally would not quit. God does not like a quitter. Remember that. The next time you get tired, the next time you want to quit, rest. If you're tired, rest, but do not ever quit, you guys, because you can and you will. You can literally do anything you put your mind to. I promise you. There we go. I really got it there. Wow. I literally thought I did not get this. Like, wow. I've done it. I'm such a... I should be so proud of myself, literally. I deserve more credit than I give myself. Anyways, you guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. You literally mean the whole wide world to me, especially if you've watched this far. I appreciate you so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you that support me. I literally love you guys. Cannot wait to see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light. I shall see you guys in my next upload. Guys, also comment down below what you want to see from me next. Any more crazy videos like putting my legs over my head? I want to do some challenges like with the kids and stuff. That's what I'm planning, like, but I don't know like what to do. That's the thing, like, because my kids are always down for challenges. Please comment down below. I love you guys so very much. Peace, love, and light. Mwah.